Where raw materials, precision begins digitally.
Thick fabric is sliced with ease.
Complex curves require careful hands.
Identity is printed to transfer paper.
Paper and fabric meet heat.
Heat binds ink permanently. Pieces organized for assembly.
Operators begin assembly.
Comfort is sewn in.
Details make it functional.
Precise neckline alignment. Securing edges for durability.
Smoothing the final product.
Ready for the pitch.
Every shade of green is meticulously calibrated to match the
Software nests the patterns to minimize fabric waste.
Massive rolls of blank polyester are brought to the cutting tables.
Dozens of plies are stacked, ready for the blade.
The machine carves the fabric into manageable blocks.
Large sections are separated for detailed trimming.
For the intricate curves, precision is paramount. Even the deepest cuts are flawless. The perfectly cut blanks await their colors. The digital dye sublimation printers roar to life. Specialized dyes are laid onto transfer paper. Player numbers take shape for perfection. The completed artwork is tightly wound. The rotary heat press is brought up to extreme temperatures.
The blank white fabric is laid onto the feeding belt.
The printed paper meets the fabric exactly. The dye turns to gas, permanently dyeing the polyester fibers. The fabric emerges completely transformed.
The team's identity is now permanently embedded. Custom names and numbers are flawlessly transferred.
Operators carefully collect the hot fabric. The vibrant new pieces are organized by size and number.
Player numbers are matched to complete the kits.
Every component is carefully gathered.
The components are bundled and sent to the sewing floor.
Sewing machines are prepped with matching threads. Assembly begins at the shoulders.
The machine cuts the edge perfectly as it sews.
The jersey begins to take its final shape.
Attention shifts to the matching athletic shorts. The leg panels are joined with high-speed precision.
A reinforced curve provides maximum mobility.
The elastic is anchored to the top edge of the shorts.
A specialized machine is required for the perfect waistband.
The operator stretches the fabric tight as it feeds. 4 parallel lines of thread secure the stretch.
The continuous loop is closed flawlessly.
Checked for durability and elasticity.
A simple tool solves a complex task. The waistband is quickly slipped over the hoop.
The drawstring is secured to the guide. In one fluid motion, the string is threaded. The ends are secured and evened out.
Attention turns to the jersey's neckline. The V-neck requires a precise center point.
The prepared collar is joined to the jersey.
A sweatband is added for comfort and a clean finish.
The tape is locked down flat.
The hems require a specialist flat lock stitch. The operator creates a clean, folded edge.
The cover stitch secures the fold with stretch.
The long bottom hem must remain perfectly straight.
A flawless line finishes the jersey's length. The shorts receive the same durable finish.
The leg opening is secured.
Identification tags are sewn inside the garment. Every stray thread is eliminated. The garment is finally turned right side out.
Edges are pushed out for a crisp shape. The shorts are turned to reveal their final look. A quick but thorough check of the complete assembly.
The kits are moved to the finishing tables.
Industrial steam irons are brought to temperature.
The jersey is smoothed flat on the padded table.
High-pressure steam relaxes the polyester fibers. The player numbers are pressed completely flat.
Creases are permanently removed from the arms.
The V-neck is flattened for a professional presentation. The matching shorts are steamed and pressed. The gathered elastic is steamed to set the gathers evenly.
Folded to exact retail specifications.
The crest is proudly displayed.
The shorts are folded to match the jersey's footprint.
The uniform is united.
Protective packaging keeps the kit pristine.
Sealed and ready for the stadium.
Dozens of kits pile up, representing a fully outfitted team.
The KHNP jersey, crafted for victory.
Every detail sharp, every color vibrant.
Proudly bearing the team's identity.
Player numbers stand out with pristine clarity. Precision engineering at the neckline.
Jersey and shorts, a complete uniform.
Consistency across every piece of the gear. Lightweight, breathable, and built to perform.
From raw fabric to the heart of the team.
Every process in the world mastered.